Step-by-step guide to the Nemechek Protocol for Autism. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Nemechek Protocol for Autism. If you're a parent, caregiver, or educator looking for a non-invasive, step-by-step approach to managing autism symptoms, this video is for you. The Nemechek Protocol focuses on improving the gut-brain connection to address developmental symptoms often associated with autism. In this video, we'll break down the protocol into simple steps and provide practical tips for implementation. Let's get started. The Nemechek Protocol was developed by Dr. Patrick Nemechek as a holistic method to support children and individuals with autism. It's based on the idea that many symptoms of autism are linked to inflammation and disruptions in the gut-brain axis. By restoring balance in the gut, reducing chronic inflammation, and supporting brain recovery, the protocol aims to unlock developmental progress. This approach stands out because it relies on natural strategies rather than medications. It emphasizes repairing the body from inside out, starting with the gut. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to apply this protocol and how it can potentially benefit individuals with autism. The Nemechek Protocol consists of 3 key steps. Restoring gut health to reduce inflammation. 2. Balancing omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids with high-quality olive oil. 3. Supporting brain recovery through nervous system repair. Let's explore each of these steps in detail. The gut is a central player in our overall health, and researchers have found that chronic inflammation in the gut can contribute to symptoms of autism. That's why the first step of the Nemechek Protocol involves restoring gut health by rebalancing the gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live in the digestive system. Chronic gut inflammation is often tied to an imbalance of bacteria in the intestines. Many factors, such as diet or antibiotic use, can disrupt this balance. Inflammation in the gut can send harmful signals to the brain, leading to behavioral and developmental challenges commonly associated with autism. By addressing this inflammation, the gut can begin to function properly, reducing the impact of these signals on the brain. Prebiotics, like inulin, are essential to restoring the gut's bacterial balance. They act as food for beneficial bacteria, helping them grow and thrive. Over time, this process helps reduce inflammation caused by harmful bacteria. To implement this step, start with a carefully selected prebiotic, such as inulin. Here are the key steps to follow. Begin with a low dose. Consult product-specific instructions or your doctor to determine the right dose to start with. Monitor progress. Pay attention to improvements in behavior, digestion, and mood. Keep a journal to document these changes. Adjust as needed. Gradually increase the dose based on results and professional advice. It's important to note that some individuals may initially experience mild side effects, like gas or bloating, as their gut adjusts. These side effects typically fade over time. Once gut health is on track, the protocol shifts to reducing inflammation throughout the body with the help of a key dietary component, high-quality olive oil. Our modern diets tend to contain an excess of omega-6 fatty acids, which promote inflammation, and not enough omega-3 fatty acids, which counterbalance it. This imbalance can exacerbate inflammation in the brain and body. Olive oil is rich in a particular type of healthy fat called monounsaturated fats, which work to restore this equilibrium. By incorporating olive oil into daily meals, you can help reduce inflammation and support the overall health of the brain and body. Not all olive oils are created equal. For the protocol to be effective, it's important to select high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Look for products that are cold-pressed and come in dark bottles to protect against heat and light. Always check the expiration date to ensure freshness. To incorporate olive oil into the protocol, serve 1-2 teaspoons daily, depending on the individual's needs and size. Add olive oil to meals, such as salads, vegetables, or soups. Avoid cooking with it at high heat, as this can diminish its nutritional value. Be consistent. Regular use of olive oil is key to maintaining proper fatty acid balance. The final step of the Nemechek Protocol focuses on promoting brain recovery by addressing dysfunctions in the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls essential processes like heart rate, digestion, and stress response. Factors like inflammation and stress can interfere with the proper functioning of the autonomic nervous system. When this system is dysregulated, it impacts the brain's ability to repair itself, creating barriers to developmental progress. By reducing gut inflammation and bringing fatty acid levels back into balance, the protocol naturally supports nervous system repair. Over time, this allows the brain to heal and function more effectively. As the brain begins to recover, many families report improvements in speech, behavior, focus, and motor skills. While results vary between individuals, signs of progress may include increased eye contact and social engagement, reduction in repetitive behaviors, improved communication skills and vocabulary. Every individual's journey will be unique, so it's important to be patient and observe gradual changes. Before beginning the Nemechek Protocol, speak with a healthcare provider to ensure it's a good fit. They can guide you on safe implementation, especially regarding doses and products. Introduce each step slowly, one at a time. Rapid changes can overwhelm the body, making it harder to identify what works and what doesn't. Keep a journal to track behavioral, emotional, and physical changes over time. Include observations such as improved mood, social interactions, or digestion. Results take time. Success with the protocol requires consistency and patience. Families have reported improvements within weeks to months, but progress varies between individuals. Common challenges, such as minor digestive upset during the gut healing phase, are typically temporary. Monitor closely and consult a professional if issues persist. Yes, when implemented correctly under the guidance of a healthcare professional, the protocol is considered safe and non-invasive. The protocol can often be adapted to fit different dietary needs. Work with your doctor to customize it if necessary. Depending on the individual, noticeable changes can occur within weeks or months. Every case is different, so tracking progress is essential. Not all individuals respond in the same way. If progress feels slow, consider revisiting dosage, product quality, or other factors with a healthcare provider. The Nemechek Protocol offers a step-by-step, holistic approach to managing symptoms of autism by addressing gut health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain recovery. Based on simple, natural strategies, this protocol brings a beacon of hope to families looking for gentle yet effective ways to support their loved ones. Remember, implementing the protocol takes patience, consistency, and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined, restoring gut health, balancing omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and supporting brain recovery, many families have seen encouraging results. If you are ready to take the first step, consult with your healthcare provider and begin the journey toward a healthier mind and body. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the very best on the path forward.